Hey, what's going on? Donnie here. And in this video, we're going to go over the number one reason why recruitment companies don't grow and how to fix that. So, before we get into, the actual number one reason, let's talk about some other things that can contribute to the lack of growth in your business. And one might be that you're just not hungry enough. And if you're not hungry enough, you really need to take a look in the mirror and ask why not and what kind of changes you're going to make to spark a fire and get yourself motivated again. The next is, kind of having a fixed mindset. There's a lot of people that have been in this industry for a long time and they only know their way of doing things. And so what I encourage you to do is think outside of the box, but your fixed mindset can really be hindering your growth. Because what your competitors can be doing in the marketplace can be out flat out outworking you right now. And so the next thing is, well, you have no strategy, and with no strategy equals no growth, right? There's not enough action to take because you know, we don't know what way we're going, right? And so no strategy will definitely contribute to lack of growth within your business. Speaking with hundreds of recruiters over the last few years, one of the questions I always ask is what some of their major challenges are. And not having enough time always comes to top of the list. I don't have enough time to do this. You get involved and you hustle to do business development, and all of a sudden you get a job that you can work on, and you stop doing business development because you don't have enough time, and or maybe you're going after and trying to do client development, and then you don't have enough time to do candidates. And that's a huge, huge reason, but it's still not the number one reason. The number one reason that your business is not growing, ready for it? Wait a little bit. You're not executing. You're not executing on a regular basis. So you know what to do, you know how to do it, but you're just not doing it. So why don't we execute? Well, we usually don't execute because, first and foremost, maybe our mindset's not right. Maybe we're not motivated on a regular basis. Maybe we don't believe truly that we are the best in the industry, in our market, in our niche. Maybe we don't believe that we have what it takes to do it. But once we get our mindset right and we truly believe that we provide the best experience for both our clients and candidates, we can see explosive growth in our business. But our mind has to be right first. The next thing is, let's get clear on a strategy, right? When we're not clear with things, what do we typically do? Nothing. We don't execute. Look, it's 2018. There's 15 different ways to do something. There's methods, processes, systems. There's all this stuff all over the internet now on how you can grow your recruitment business. And that can also lead to a little bit of lack of clarity because we're trying to piece things together. Look, work a strategy, work something that's proven, and do those little things over and over again. It's doing small things every single day that will really grow our recruitment business. So get clear on a strategy, find something out there that's proven. And the last way we can fix our lack of growth and fix our lack of execution is to leverage digital and to automate. The beautiful thing about digital is it's always working for us. The internet never sleeps, right? So isn't it great when you wake up in the morning and you have somebody scheduled through your digital calendar? Well, do you even have a digital calendar? Because you should, right? And those are one of the types of things that you can do with digital and automation is get your stuff out there because it's always working for you. How do you get more time in your day? Well, you can't do anything with the actual clocks and actually create more time, but you can automate to make yourself more efficient, right? And automation can be done now in a way where we can do it so that we still come across as being genuine. And automation is a huge, huge asset that your competitors are using to grow their business. I know this because I work with your competitors. So automation is absolutely essential to the growth of your business, and leveraging digital and all these digital tools that are out there is incredibly, incredibly important. Now, the number one reason why it's not growing is because you're not executing. The reason you're not executing is usually because of lack of clarity with strategy. It's because of mindset, and it's because you're not leveraging digital, right? Hey, we're human beings. We get in ruts. And the beautiful thing about digital and automation is they don't get into ruts. We're not going to always do things every single day, but digital and automation will do things for us every single day without fail. So if you like this video and it provided any value for you, I would just ask that you please like it and share. And if you ever want to work with somebody that has a proven process, please feel free to reach out. This is Donnie Gupton. Until the next time.